Okay, that's way better. Ooh, that was awful. All right, so now we're going to do our midpoint. We're going to find the point that's in the middle. So we're going to put our two ordered pairs here. Okay, so our first ordered pair is negative 1, 2, 3, 4. This is negative 5. And go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's negative 5 and negative 5. Any questions about how I got this point right here? Negative 5, negative 5. Okay. All right. Our next ordered pair is negative 1 and negative 1. So now we want to find the point that's in the middle. So to find the point that's in the middle, you're going to add your x's together and divide by 2. Then add your y's together and divide by 2. Okay, so remember the midpoint formula I put at the top of this page is you take your x's and add your x's together and divide by 2. You take your y's and add your y's together and divide by 2. Okay, that's going to give you your midpoint. All right, so let's label x1, y1, x2, y2. Questions about labeling? All right. The ordered pairs. This is negative 1 and negative 1. Say again, baby. I'm sorry. Um, I don't know if I'm sure in what you're saying. Let me try to attempt, and then if you're not, still not clear, then just tell me, because I just want to make sure. I'm not sure if you're asking me how I got this ordered pair right here. This was in the picture, and the x and y value here is that when you start from the origin, you go to the left one. So that's how you get negative 1. And then you go down 1, and that's how you get negative 1. Negative 1 is this ordered pair. Yes, I just want to know the ordered pairs of my endpoints. These are endpoints, and I need to know the ordered pairs of them. Okay. All right. So now we're going to take our endpoints to find the middle point. And the middle point should be this right here. Should be, right? It looks like it's in the middle. So let's see. All right. So this is what we do. We're going to take our x's and add our x's together. That's negative 5 plus a negative 1 and divide by 2. We're going to take our y's and add them together. That's negative 5 plus a negative 1 and divide by 2. Negative 5 plus negative 1 is negative 6 divided by 2. Negative 5 plus a negative 1 is negative 6 divided by 2. This is going to give me, when I divide here, Aaron, negative 6 divided by a positive 2 is going to give me a negative 3. This is also going to give me a negative 3. This is my midpoint. And that's what this ordered pair is right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is negative 3, comma, negative 3. This is my middle point. Questions about that? Are y'all okay? Okay. Aaron, are you okay, baby? Okay, good deal. Okay. I'm going to pause to give you a chance to write. Okay, are we all right? Everybody good? Okay. All right. So let's go to number 2. We're going to write our endpoints again, our ordered pairs for our endpoints, right here and right here. Okay, so let's do this one first. Go over from the origin to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is negative 5, comma, and then I go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5, negative 5. Oops, positive 5. Sorry, y'all. Tripping. You went up 5. Okay. Now let's do this ordered pair, this endpoint. Start at the origin, go over 1, 2. So it's positive 2, right? And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is negative 5. So these are our two endpoints. We have negative 5, comma 5, and 2, comma negative 5. So for midpoint, we're going to add our x's together and divide by 2. Then I add our y's together and divide by 2. So here, our x is negative 5 plus 2, then divide by 2. Then add your y's together. 5 plus a negative 5, divide by 2. Okay. All right. So this is going to be, here this is going to be 3, negative 3. So you got negative 3 divided by 2. And here this is going to be 0 divided by 2. So this is going to be a negative 1.5. I'll say it like that. And this is going to be 0. So this negative 1.5, this is 1.5 is right here, and 0. That's where that ordered pair is. Do you see how this is the middle? Any questions about that? Is everybody okay? Okay, I want you to do these on your own. 3, 4, 9, and 10. I want you to do those on your own. Any questions, comments, or concerns? And then on Thursday, we'll do endpoint together. Okay? And then we'll move on to the next thing that we have to do, which will be laws of exponents. All right, I'm going to stop the video here. Are there any questions that need to be addressed before I stop?